Welcome to our guide on the path of Ashtanga Yoga. In this video, we will explore the principles, benefits, and key poses of this ancient practice. Ashtanga Yoga is a dynamic and physically demanding practice that focuses on synchronizing breath with movement. It is a great way to build strength, flexibility, and endurance. One of the key principles of Ashtanga Yoga is the use of a specific sequence of poses, which are designed to build upon each other and create a strong foundation for the practice. Ashtanga Yoga also emphasizes the use of bandhas, or energy locks, which help to channel and control the flow of energy in the body. In addition to physical benefits, Ashtanga Yoga also has many mental and emotional benefits, such as reducing stress and anxiety, improving focus and concentration, and promoting a sense of inner peace and well-being. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key poses in the Ashtanga Yoga practice. Remember, Ashtanga Yoga is a challenging practice that requires dedication and patience. It is important to listen to your body and not push yourself beyond your limits. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the path of Ashtanga Yoga. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore this powerful practice and discover its many benefits.